Joe Abusiafo and then so asama etwa yehu ehia ana ne de me baba so mo about too much GH na mo hunim say na de bia da ne ye no too much GH de ensam no emba ya nya de be kan so dam ana asam no so say kan ya ne say ensi ye yeso yensam ai de betu dwane de bia da no truthful stories ensam no yen fa yetu yembo yetum ne awa be kan ensam no e wa ham say yen exaggerate e wa ham say na no kware sam na tie no sa ene de be so mo anu ti na de bia da ne yesam say mon subscribe na mama se ne ekoso ewo oh my god na anyways mo afa na nyinam na adofo me de mo eko indensem no mo beji atumo say politics wo hoy dirty game papa politics wo dirty game se wo nim krampo de wo my god na mo nkwa de wo behu bi wo beti ase se ampa me de mo ko na esi ye ewo 2020 mo a mo amuni mo amoni tua nyama ne de se pin na ekumwe demonstrations mu na eye we say na osimesi so agbopa ni akwa koku ne nyonko ko nyina because of politics, because of power obi ehianti na medie na me nimpo say politics we binim say uko school ekaka university schools a kai aduma pa eye e wo hono mo ebu abon say hallway say president bi free mo ba hallway so omo so mo press mo leader bi ebeti member chine mo be president of the school nti na ya politics na ide e mo ya tight bon say na we mo ya campaign we mo so ya campaign na we mo so ya omo dem na me nim say university de ya tai koso e wo ho but na me nim say university politics e wo ho no et say NPP ni NDC for politics yi bi me nim da politics etimi piem wo university e say e mo ya heja ma amanfo etimi play etimi risk the lives of the people where me can say no man university keke o ana wo ya president keke azuzu no amanfo to me de o hye to komu etimi pura na nyonko a ondwe ho ne bakukusi kura etuo musikan emu bottles aya papa ene ho keka ho all in the name of campaign. I don't for and then mo ko NAS university Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology honoma asema akwako piemu wo honum say horse mienu a just mo banta e ni nyina ye say mo have vetting mo great hall ni mu na vetting ni mu no konti for press omo leader ebe wini ana Kantanga for so press omo leader ebe wini na Kantanga no omo no me university hall afen so unity hall no omo ana konti for no na asemwe esi July 4th we ya 2021 we ya ana vetele ekopiem the student representative council elections ni mu a mo hodi ya ewo mo great hall hono na do for ye trema ensem ni just pin keke mo glasses papa ye hu say glasses papa ye hu say chairs the school's property do drona ese ni nyina students no ade ana no mo ye na do for ye gongo hwe video ne ba nsam ne ato aso.
Bon, Johnny o. Mwane ko.
Ebusuafo mo amahwe mo amuhunye course ni nyina leadership by example me amegu no omo bibi say ni mo a na me blame omo pin because ade omo say impenifo omo wo man ni man kasa omo so bie me de mo ko 2020 parliamentary and presidential election ni esi ya mo amunim was wagon nsem esi ni nende ye busu edi echi eso so ye nte hwe ye hu ni amampani afa oni nyina wogu nani eguso hwe ne ekoso e wo manmu eso ni nyina wogu nani eguso mo amo kai na esi ye e wo parliament house a whole parliament house ye nyamu e fa ni se Usain Bolt ya Carlos Ahenkra oyi ballot papers a wodi dwane ye nyamu bi chese the speed no na me nim se o se na mu odu sa no betime nya sa ahode ne etimi adwane sa emu superwoman ya maame as lo so nyo ye okokupu MP mo show ni akoso all of these are the examples I am penny for they atuja leadership by examples, the things that you show the youth and no portray into one leading by a good example. Expect this from the youth every time. Now Adolfo soldier for ejina now because of the power na youth for na e won do into community and controlling emo and no one is here west wagon no the same thing. Our leaders know these are the things that you are showing the youth. Most sorry, I'm saying fixing yourself. Now, more leaders, are you fixing yourself in the first place? More fix someone, anyway, and a youth for those who be more. Wait, future leaders, no more strange. Not that you be MP for MPs, more presidents, or one be free. Now, we on also go show the same thing, because on one say, ne penny for the dinner anymore, almost the same thing. And to not also be the same thing. There's a Ghana, you're qualified. The peace now, what on my move. Are we maintaining it or are we deteriorating it? Shenia koso e wo manmu. Ye bufu. Asan so ye time. Aso ye kan na kosi. Na ye tepe, mpenifo ni tepe. Wo se dwuma wo ye na ajefu nsem. Afen so kakra wo ye ai ko ano na ho asam na ba. Wo te wa na aba chiw. Na ye se ya mbo pa ma ye nku a na nsem na di. Adofo. Nsem akoso wo omanmu ebi ni o. The country need it needs fixing. And again, the people that we are in it, so we need fixing. We are doing our possible best to fix our country and ourselves. But what are our leaders doing also? Mo kasa na kasa, mo se ye afemudi na so mo so mo amudi enim no. Mo so mo anya mo afemudi na oman ya kwenfa. Adofo enensem amede ebram no no. Most watching chair if I and some near coso our mining name. Fast wo your comment section mo come. I will pull any media kwazo. Why as remember if you subscribe to Too Much GH. Can we say about the stories about politics, lifestyle, business, and affairs or entertainment? Nini na aha and albenyano religious stories any efuto nini na aha and albenyano. Subscribe name here a notification button and send a debate no. Say post video be about Too Much GH. Most of the no one yakoso e wo man mu ani wiase mu afa na nyina ende me amede enense mi abramo medi ani eki abro ne mu I do mo factory ba ko pa kasa na e ba sanso e hia makram